This week, I made the most adorable napkin holder ever.
So put on your tools, guys. Time for a make or break. Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. I'm Ram.
And I'm Sarah, and this week we built the easiest napkin holder inspired by the Inspired Hive.
Inspired by the
Just trust me. Here's how it went.
So Sarah was really excited about this project. She found it, immediately fell in love, and told me to get out of the way, so I did. She started with a single piece of hobby board that we picked up at a craft store. This is a super light balsa wood that, quite frankly, she could have probably scored it and snapped it over her leg, but she used a miter saw instead, like a civilized maker. She carefully sanded down the edges, but the rest of the board was pre-milled and ready to go. She only had 3 pieces to worry about, a 4-inch wide piece for the bottom and 2 6-inch pieces for the sides. And really, she just needed to glue them together. For that, she used some Titebond 2 wood glue. Then she just held the pieces together for a half hour.
20 minutes later.
I'm kidding. Once it started to set, we grabbed an extra piece to prop it up, and then she clamped the whole thing together with some painter's tape. When it was dry, she removed the tape and used a sanding block to clear out any extra glue. Next, she applied some dark walnut stain, first applying it thick and then wiping the excess off with a clean part of the rag. Man, that dark walnut always looks good. When it was dry, Sarah used a piece of painter's tape as a guide and then simply wrote napkins with a white ink marker we used to paint mugs at Christmas. I have no idea how she writes that nice. Personally, I need a printer. And that's it. The project's done. And when you look at how cute that thing is, it makes me want to have Sarah write on all my stuff.
All right. That was not only a really cute project, but it was like the easiest one to do.
Right, you just need a piece of hobby board and some glue.
And a tool to cut it.
Yeah.
You know what? A good example would be one from Heart, who I want to thank for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build any napkin holder we can imagine if we do it with Heart.
That was smooth.
Thank you.
All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content that comes out during the week.
All right, break's over.
Let's make something.